Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to read page number 15 of chapter 3, that is playtime. So, students, open page number 15 in your EBS book and take a pencil. Now I am going to read fun time. From the box given below, write the name of the sport the following sports persons play. So, number 1, Arjun Atwal. Arjun Atwal is related to golf. So, you have to write golf in the front of Arjun Atwal. Next, number 2, Geet Sethi. So, Geet Sethi plays billiards. Here is billiards. So, you have to write billiards in the front of Geet Sethi. Now next, third, Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra is related to shooting. Here is shooting. So, this word you have to write in the front of Abhinav Bindra. Now next, 4, Karun Chandok. So, Karun Chandok is related to car racing. So, you have to write car racing in front of Karun Chandok. Next, 5th, Karnam Maleshwari. Karnam Maleshwari is related to weight lifting. So, you have to write weight lifting in front of Karnam Maleshwari here. Now next, 6, Sandeep Sejwal. Sandeep Sejwal is related to swimming and you have to write swimming in front of Sandeep Sejwal. Sandeep Sejwal got Arjuna Award for swimming. Now I am going to read the paragraph. Students, you have to do this work fun time in your book. Now I am going to read this paragraph. Now, television, computer games and video games have become very popular. Children do not like to play outside in fresh air. Lack of physical activity has created problems like obesity and students underline the word obesity, that is OBESITY. Obesity means fat and has reduced their concentration. So student underline this word, that is CONCENTRATION. Concentration means the action of focusing one's attention. Concentration level and stamina. Students underline this word stamina, that is STAMINA. Stamina means tolerance level. Thus, it is very important to inculcate. So, students underline this word inculcate, that is INCULCATE. So, thus it is very important to inculcate sports consciousness among children right from a young age. Students, you have to underline also this word, that is CONSCIOUSNESS, consciousness, which means sense. So we have understood from this paragraph that nowadays children love playing games in mobile, watching television and listening songs to the music player, but they don't like to go outside from their house by keeping the body stable in one place. We may have the problem of obesity and other physical troubles may occur. So it is important that we play sports from a young age so that we can make our mind and body fit. Now read and reflect. So we are going to revise the whole chapter. Number 1, we have understood that games and sports relax our mind. Number 2, we have understood that games are of many types: indoor, outdoor, individual and team. Next, we have seen that team spirit is the feeling of harmony and unity among the team player. Next, we have seen that the captain of a team has a big responsibility. Next, we have seen that it is important for children to play outside in the open for physical and mental exercise. Now, exercise time. You have to do these exercises in your copy. Now we are going to do this. Now A, write true or false. So number 1, boys and girls should play together. Right or wrong? True or false? It is true. Next, it is good to fight with the captain of your team. No, we should not fight with the captain of our team. So, it is false. It is false for number 2. Now the next, the feeling of team spirit unites the player of a team. True. It unites the players of a team. Next, referees and umpires are not necessary while playing a sport. No, it's false. They are necessary. They are necessary for playing a sport. Now the next, take the correct answer, B part. Number 1, the responsibility of a team is on the captain. So you can take on captain. Now next second number, the national game is the integral part of a country's. So it should be culture. The national games is an integral part of a country's culture. So tick on culture in the second number. Now the third, the person who supervises that the game is being played according to the rules is called referee. So tick on referee. So student, you all have to do A and B part in your copy, and in the next class we will do C and D part. So that's all for today. Thank you, class.